and visitor of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, Shri Satpal Malik ji, esteemed Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, and Chairman of ERDF Foundation, Shri Mehbubul Haq, Honorable Chairman of UGC, Professor D.P. Singh, Professor S.K. Srivastav, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, nominees of Honorary Doctorate, Padam Shri Srimati Patrika Mukhim, Editor, Shillong Times, and Professor Sanjay Deshmukh, former Vice Chancellor of University of Mumbai and presently Professor in Life Science, members of the governing body, Board of Management and Academic Council, and well-wishers, invited guests, deans, head of the departments, and faculty members. At the outset, I take this opportunity to congratulate all those who will be getting their degree during this convocation. I also congratulate the parents of degree awardees for their support and encouragement and to their works, and to all the teachers for their all support and help during their studies at USTM. Me and my whole team, including all teachers, staff, officers, students, feel elated, dream of millions of people in this country. I would also wish to brief you all the most important academic development which have taken place in last 1 year. With the student enrollment of 7 in 2000 to 4,541 in 2019. In the sixth convocation, a total number of 1,332 students will be receiving their degree, out of which 925 at postgraduate level, 397 at undergraduate level, and 10 PhD scholars will be awarded degrees. Including is in consonance with the UGC criteria. The supporting staff has also increased from 15 to 223. At present, we have 9 schools. Under these 9 schools, there are 22 departments, and altogether 51 courses at UG and PG levels are offered by 22 departments. More than 80 oriented courses as value-added courses are also offered to the of ERDF. Special preference is given to the students from backward and underprivileged sections of the society. Free and concessional fee was sponsored by ERDF Foundation for more than 350 deserving students who are in BPL category each year. Students were facilitated to participate in NSS program regularly, in other zonal levels, sports and other festivals under the patronage of Government of Meghalaya. Free coaching for the students for NET, IAS are functional, and joint research is conducted at USTM. The university also encourages the scholars to take such research topics which have direct relevance to the society. When they complete their research thesis with the aim of taking the output from the lab to land, the very first PhD topic the scholar who was awarded has carried out his research on any silkworm. Their field plans for enhancing quality and quantity of silk. The findings of research have direct relevance to the area silk farmers in the region, as has been identified by the peers on the subject. This year, more than 300 research papers have been published by the faculty in a very high impact factors, even up to 15 impact factor, and 140 books have been written by the faculty members. This is very encouraging. Even during this corona, the faculty members have been engaged in their academic activities besides regularly taking online classes. Other extracurricular activities to enhance the total development of the students and personality, sports and other games, cultural festival, music, etc. Different competitions are also organized, and university has also strengthened the infrastructure including the classroom and also the smart classrooms. Now university is also planning to have the most modern LED classrooms in each department. In order to bring synergy, create awareness about the happenings in the field of education among the students, teachers and the principals of colleges in the region, the university has been organizing number of programs like Northeast General Conference, Northeast Graduate Congress, which is a unique feature of this university in the whole region, and also NLGSC Northeast Law Graduates Congress for orientation and preparation of graduates, and who will be the graduates of tomorrow, and NET-SC Northeast Teachers Congress for orientation and motivation of teachers, with various developmental activities taking place in the field of higher education, as well as the exchange, the ideas, common issues like NCPC, Northeast College Principals, conclave for giving platform to all the principals. These are some of the unique features of USTM, which are already last year have been organized. MOU, as I have told, have been signed more than 80 universities, research institutions, some of the renowned national, international academic institutions. USTM has also been recognized as the fastest growing private university in quality education. It has been awarded this ISO 9001, and USTM has applied this year for its quality assessment and accreditation to NAC, where two parts of this have already been completed. From the engineering what inclusion award in Singapore for his contribution has been awarded to our Honorable Chancellor USTM, Sri M. Haq. He was also listed in the 50 most influenced education entrepreneurs, and citation was given by the World Education Congress. Sri Mehboob Haq has also received the prestigious Aligarh Movement Award in 2015. And he has been awarded University of the Year East by Indian Education Congress, Campus Preparedness Survey Award by Campus Management Group. The VC has received the Distinguished Alumni Award, Professional Achievement 2014 and by NIT Warangal. There have been much more awards, even by becoming the Association of Commonwealth University UK, as well as Association of Indian Universities as the member. More than 1,000 eminent personalities and literary stalwarts who have visited the university, they have always found a continuous dynamism in the University of USTM, especially the Honorable Chancellor, who has been very kind to accommodate and also take the university to new height in the field of higher education, and to create a center of excellence to provide all facilities, particularly the Northeast students from Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland. So, Honorable our Governor Sir, I would like to just inform that USTM will be the first university to start academic bank of credit from 2021 academic session, which is the first university to provide more choices to the university, and this is the vision of our nation to give more choices to the students. In conclusion of my report, I would like to offer my warm greetings to all the recipients of various degrees. First and foremost, I salute to the two eminent personalities who, through their dedication, have carved a name for themselves in their respective field. University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Meghalaya is our USTM is privileged to offer the honorary doctorate to the gender activist and journalist Srimati Patricia Mukim and of the quest for knowledge. And I hope your quest for knowledge will continue for lifelong learning. I thank the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Satpal Malik ji, for accepting to preside over the sixth convocation. To Professor D.P. Singh, Honorable Chairman of UGC, to kindly deliver the convocation address. The Honorable Chancellor, Mr. Mehboob Haq, for his vision and dynamism with which he is nurturing USTM. The endeavor is to create a university of international standard in this part of nation. We, the university community, shall stand up as a team and make it happen. I thank the faculty, members, staff, officers, students, advisors, and ERDF Foundation for their cooperation and untiring support. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to all concerned who have worked tirelessly to make the sixth convocation of our university a great success. Thanking you all. Jai Hind, Jai USTM. Thank you.